Good morning students. Last time we have started the reaction of aldehydes and ketones with nucleophiles. That is, here we have seen four reactions, in which first reaction we have seen addition of HCN, in which formation of cyanohydrin addition product takes place. Then second reaction we have seen is with NaHSO3, that is sodium bisulfite, in which formation of sodium bisulfite addition product takes place. When aldehydes and ketones are created with alcohol in presence of dry acid, formation of acetal takes place, in which first formation of hemiacetal takes place. This hemiacetal is unstable, which is then converted into acetal. And fourth reaction we have seen is reaction with Grignard's reagent. That is, addition of Grignard's reagent is carried out in presence of dry ether to form alcohols. Aldehydes, when react with Grignard's reagent, use secondary alcohol, and ketones with Grignard's reagent in presence of dry acid give tertiary alcohols. Now we are going to see next or fifth reaction, that is E, addition of or nucleophilic addition elimination of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia derivative. Now we know that the molecular formula of ammonia is NH3, and when one hydrogen atom from ammonia is replaced by any atom or group, then it is ammonia derivative. Now here this is NH2Z type compound. Z is any atom or a group of atom, or it is any functional group. This is NH2Z type compound. Now we are going to see what is the reaction of aldehydes and ketones with these ammonia derivatives. When these aldehydes or ketones, now aldehydes and ketones possesses a carbonyl group. Therefore we have write this like this, that is C double bond O. Aldehyde or ketone, it is either aldehyde or ketone. When it is treated with ammonia derivative, that is NH2Z type compound. Now here this NH2Z type compound is written like this. Now here addition of this NH2Z and hydrogen takes place across this carbonyl group. Now here hydrogen get attached to this oxygen atom. That is, this oxygen is more electronegative. Therefore electron pair shifts on this oxygen, and then this electron pair get attached to this hydrogen, and this NH bond get attached to this carbonyl group to form this intermediate. This intermediate is formed, and this intermediate then undergo removal of water molecules. Now here water molecule is removed from here, that is this hydrogen atom, that is this bond gets shifted in between this carbon and nitrogen, and this OH group get attached to this hydrogen atom to form imine plus H2O. This is imine derivative. Now in this reaction, first addition of ammonia derivative is carried out, and then in second step removal of or elimination of water is carried out. Therefore this reaction is called as addition elimination of aldehydes and ketones. Now we are going to see first reaction. Now there are various types of NH2Z compounds, that is ammonia derivatives, and each and every ammonia derivative when react with aldehyde and ketone gives different imine. First reaction we are going to see reaction with hydroxyamine. Now formula of hydroxyamine is NH2OH. That is, one hydrogen atom from ammonia is replaced by hydroxy group. And when this carbonyl group, that is aldehyde or ketone, when it react with this NH2OH, then here removal of H2O takes place like this. That is, first intermediate is formed. Addition of this NH2OH takes place across the double bond of carbonyl group, and then removal of H2O is carried out. We are going to see this reaction directly in one step, and here formation of C double bond and OH plus H2O. Name of this compound is oxime. These oximes are used in the preparation of amines. By using oximes, we can prepare primary amines. Now first reaction we are going to see with acetaldehyde. Now here, when acetaldehyde is treated with hydroxyamine in weak acidic medium, all these reactions are carried out in weak acidic medium. And when this aldehyde or acetaldehyde, when it reacts with hydroxyamine, then here same reaction takes place. That is, here removal of this H2O takes place, and we'll get here CH3, C, H, double bond N, OH plus H2O. Name of this compound is acetaldoxane. From acetaldehyde it is obtained, therefore name of this compound is acetaldoxane. Now, second reaction we are going to see with ketone, that is acetone. Now this is acetone. When this acetone reacts with hydroxyamine in weak acidic medium, then here formation of acetoxane takes place plus H2O. From this, here removal of H2O takes place to form this compound. Name of this compound is acetoxane. Now see the difference between these names. Acetaldoxane formed from this aldehyde, acetaldehyde. Therefore, name of this compound is acetaldoxane. And this acetoxane is obtained from acetone. Therefore, name is acetoxane. In this way, aldehydes and ketones when react with hydroxyamine gives corresponding oxime. Either it is acetaldoxane from acetaldehyde or acetoxane from acetone. Now this reaction is reversible reaction. Now second, nucleophilic addition, elimination reactions of aldehyde with NH2Z type compound or ammonia derivative is reaction with hydrogen. The formula of hydrogen is NH2NH2. That is, one hydrogen atom from ammonia is replaced by NH2 group. Now here, when aldehyde or ketone or when any carbonyl compound, when it reacts with hydrogen or NH2NH2 compound, then in presence of weak acidic medium, here removal of H2O takes place and formation of C double bond N NH2 plus H2O. Now this is hydrazone. This compound, name of this compound is hydrazone. That is, formation of hydrazone takes place. Corresponding hydrazone is obtained. Now here we are going to see examples. Now first example is with acetaldehyde, that is CH3 C double bond OH. When acetaldehyde reacts with hydrazine in presence of weak acidic medium, then here removal of H2O takes place to form CH3 C H double bond CH3 CH double bond N NH2 plus H2O. This is hydrazone of acetaldehyde. Formation of hydrazone of acetaldehyde takes place. And when this acetone reacts with this hydrazine in weak acidic medium, here removal of H2O takes place like this to form CH3 C CH3 double bond N NH2 plus H2O. This is hydrazone of acetone. This compound which are obtained by the reaction of aldehydes and ketones with NH2Z type compound, these compounds are called as imine derivative, or they are also named as Schiff's base. These are Schiff's base. nucleophilic addition elimination reaction of aldehyde and ketone is reaction with phenyl hydrazine. Now here, when aldehydes or ketones are created with phenyl hydrazine. Now the formula of phenyl hydrazine is C6H5NH2. We know the hydrazine. Formula of hydrazine is NH2. And when one hydrogen atom from this hydrazine is replaced by phenyl group, then it becomes phenyl hydrazine. That is, this is phenyl hydrazine. Now when this carbonyl compound, aldehyde or ketone, when they are created with phenyl hydrazine in presence of weak acidic medium, then here H2O is removed like this, and you will get here C double bond and NH2, NHC6H5 plus H2O. Name of this compound is phenyl hydrazine of phenyl hydrazine derivative. Now here, now we are going to see examples. When this acetaldehyde or IUPAC name of this acetaldehyde is ethanol. When this ethanol is treated with phenyl hydrazine, then here remole of H2O takes place to form CH3, C, H, double bond and NH, C6H5 plus H2O. Name of this compound is phenyl hydrazine of ethanol or acetaldehyde. Formation of phenyl hydrazine of ethanol takes place. Now, second example, when acetone or propanone, IUPAC name of acetone is propanone. There are 3 carbon atoms, therefore parent alkene is propane, and replace suffix E from alkene by ONE, it becomes propanone. Now this propanone, when it is treated with phenyl hydrazine, then removal of this H2O takes place in presence of weak acidic medium to form CH3, C, CH3, double bond and NH, C6H5 plus H2O. Name of this compound is phenyl hydrazine of acetone or phenyl hydrazine of propanone. Fourth, nucleophilic addition elimination reaction of aldehyde and ketone with semicarbazide. Now here the formula of semicarbazide is NH2 NHCO NH2. That is from hydrazine. Now this is hydrazine, and when this one hydrogen atom from this hydrazine is replaced by amide group, then it becomes semicarbazide. This is semicarbazide. Now when this aldehyde or ketone or any carbonyl compound, when it reacts with semicarbazide in weakly acidic medium, then here removal of H2O takes place like this, and we'll get here C double bond and NH, CO, NH2 plus H2O. Name of this compound is semicarbazine. Now we are going to see examples. Now here, when acetaldehyde or ethanol, when it reacts with this semicarbazide in presence of weakly acidic medium, then removal of this H2O takes place to form CH3, C, H, double bond and NH, CO, NH2 plus H2O. Name of this compound is semicarbazine of ethanol or acetaldehyde. Now second reaction with propanone. When this propanone, that is CH3, CO, CH3, when it reacts with semicarbazide in weak acidic medium, then similarly here removal of this H2O takes place, and this CH3 get attached to this nitrogen atom, that is this carbonyl carbon get attached to this nitrogen atom to form semicarbazone of acetone or semi-carbazole of propanol plus H2O. This is semi-carbazole of acetone or propanol. Last reaction, nucleophilic addition elimination of aldehydes and ketones is with reaction with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Now the structure of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine is like this. Now we know that the structure of hydrazine is NH2. Now here, when one hydrogen atom from this hydrazine is replaced by 2,4-dinitrophenyl group. Now 2,4-dinitrophenyl group is like this. And NO2. This is 2,4-dinitrophenyl group. Now here this NH group is attached. This is the structure of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Now here when carbonyl compound, that is aldehydes and ketones, when they are reacted with this 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine in presence of weakly acidic medium, then here removal of H2O takes place and you will get here C double bond and NH . That is 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone of aldehyde or ketone. Now this is the general reaction. Here it is homework for you. What is the action of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine with acetaldehyde and acetone? Write this reaction in your notebook. Now homework for you. Draw the structure of A, the semi-carbazole of cyclohexanol, and B, imine formed in the reaction between 2-methylhexanol and ethylamine. Rewrite these reactions in your notebook.